Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today to watch this video. I really appreciate. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and also leave a comment in the section down below and let me know what you think about this video. In today's video, I'll be sharing the recipe for this amazing super party jollof rice. Keep watching and don't go away. One of the most important ingredients for making jollof rice is the meat broth. Today I'll be using chicken and grated turkey, but you can use any kind of meat of your choice. Then I'll be using blended onion and garlic. I'll be using chicken stock cubes. I'll be using garlic powder. I'll also be using 1 tablespoon of salt. After adding all the seasoning together, I'll be mixing everything together. Then I'll cover it to cook for like 60 minutes because I'm using hard chicken and it takes a long time to cook. The next step, I'll be using some fresh tomatoes, some fresh big peppers, onion and garlic. I only use 1 Scotch bonnet because I don't like my food to be too spicy. You can add more if you want. For the next step, I'll be greening the peppers in the oven because it gives it this unique flavor. It adds a bit of smokiness to the jollof rice. It comes out really nice. For the stew base, I'll be using some chopped onion. I'll be blending some fresh ginger. I'll be chopping some fresh garlic. I'll be using some tomato puree, and also I'll be using bay leaves. The next step will be to make the jollof rice. I'll be adding some oil in the pan. I'll be using some sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And then I'll be adding the chopped onion. I'll fry this for 2 minutes before adding the tomato puree. In the comment section below, let me know how you make your own jollof rice. Some people don't fry their onion, they don't fry the tomato puree or the tomato mixture. I've seen some people, they just mix everything together in the pot and they put the rice in it. Let me know how you make yours. I really want to learn a new method because this is how I've been doing mine. I'm really open to learn other methods as well. Let me know in the comment section below how you make your own party jollof rice. Let me know also what you normally have yours with. Do you have it with chicken? Do you have it with fish? Do you have it with beef? What meat do you normally have it with? Or do you have it with boiled egg? Let me know how you have yours. For me, I like my jollof rice with plantain. I like my jollof rice with turkey. I like my jollof rice with fish. I can have it with egg, but because of my weight loss, I cannot have this. At this point, I'll be adding the tomato puree. I'll be frying this for 10 minutes. At this point, we'll be adding the tomato mixture. At this point, we'll be adding some curry powder. At this point, we'll be adding some salt to taste. At this point, we'll be adding some beef stock seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice if you want. At this point, I'll be adding some bay leaves to it. But some bay leaves, make sure you wash the bay leaf, because if you don't wash it, it always tastes bitter. For the next step, we'll be adding the rice. The rice is washed. I didn't parboil the rice this time around because I want the jollof rice to have that smoky smell. I want it to burn a little bit. But if you don't want that smoky smell, you can parboil the rice and it will be quicker and easier to cook. So I'm going to add some of the broth to it. I think I use roughly about a cup. At this point, you need to cover to cook for 30 to 40 minutes. It all depends on the kind of rice you're using. For this kind of rice, it takes roughly 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, this is the end result. It came out so well and it tasted so good. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and also turn up the notification bell. For all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about these recipes. Any positive suggestion is welcome on this channel. If you stay to the end, thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.